last but certainly not least, today in history, October 8th, 80 years ago today, the microwave oven was patented by Mr. Percy Spencer, employed by Raytheon at the time, noticed that microwaves from an active radar set he was working on started to melt a Mr. Goodbar candy bar he had in his pocket. The first food deliberately cooked by Spencer's microwave oven was popcorn. The second was an egg, which exploded in the face of the experimenters. Hello, Alexandra. Welcome to Galactic Cafe. That's fun. That's funny right there. Did they crack the egg? Did they puncture it? Bombs for the U.S. military filed a United States patent application for Spencer's microwave cooking process following further tests by him, and an oven that heated food using microwave energy from a magnetron was soon placed in a Boston restaurant for testing. The company's Radar Range was the first commercially available microwave oven. It was almost 6 feet tall, weighed 340 kilograms or 750 pounds, and cost about $5,000 or $66,000 by 2022. It consumed 3 kilowatts, about 3 times as much as today's microwave ovens, and was water cooled. Hello, Isabel. Is it Saya? I hope so. And Matthew, welcome to Laugh Cafe. I hope you guys are doing great today. So thank you, Mr. Spencer, for the microwave oven. We appreciate it.